Hey guys, welcome back to Lala's Lounge. We're going to get straight into this video. I'm going to be showing you guys how I created this nail polish stand. This part of the stand is actually a shadow box that I bought from Hobby Lobby. You can find shadow boxes anywhere, any local store in your city, like a Walmart, Target, Hobby Lobby, any of those like craft stores, Joann fabric stores like that. So I basically took the back side of the shadow box off. It's basically a shadow box is basically a picture frame where you can put, a lot of people put like memorabilia inside of it to put on display. So this is the back side of the shadow box. So the front side, which is against the wall, is actually a piece of glass. So like I said, it's just like a picture frame. The dimensions are from the top of the frame to the bottom is about 15 inches. And then from side to side, this one is about 12 inches. The depth of it is about 3 inches wide on the side, okay? So what I basically did was bought the shadow box, took the back side of it off, the picture frame part of it off that was inside of the inside of the shadow box. I went to Home Depot and bought pieces of just pieces of wood, and I had them cut them to fit the inside of the shadow box from this side of it to this side of it on the inside. So that's probably about 11 inches on the inside of it. And what I did was I bought some white paint and glitter, and I just painted the shelves that I made white, and then I sprinkled the glitter on top of the paint so that it stuck to the paint. Let that dry and glue them inside the shadow boxes. And I just made sure that I had enough room between the top of the frame and each shelf. So each shelf is about almost 3 inches wide, okay? This one is a little bit longer because I had to make sure the polish bottles fit. So each of them is actually a different width inside of the shadow box. So that's basically all I did. These letters here, I bought these from Joann Fabrics, and I just glued them with like Gorilla Glue on the side. And the extra polishes that I had, I put them on top. So that's basically all I did, and I just like it because it's cute to have your polishes on display in my bathroom, and it's easy access. I tried to color coordinate them to put all the same colors next to each other, but like I said, depending on the height of the bottles, some of them had to be out of order. So I don't mind that. I still think it looks good, and it was quick and easy, and it was fairly cheap. The shadow box was less than $20. These pieces of material here at Home Depot were a few cents. The paint, I just bought like a small pint of paint. That was less than 10 bucks. And the glitter, you can find glitter anywhere for about $5. These letters, each piece of these letters was a few bucks, if that. And it didn't take me very long at all to make this. The longest part of it is waiting for the paint to glue on these shells, which I thought was, a cute idea to make it kind of pop more, a little bit more festive than basically just having no paint on them at all, or having to try to purchase shells that are already a certain color. So you can always make it whatever color you like. Alright, that's it, and let me know if you have any like DIY things you like to do at home for display or decorations or anything like that, so I can try them. And if you have any questions or comments, please put them in the description box at the bottom. And I will see you guys in my next video. Thanks. Bye.